In this tutorial we're going to have a look at setting up your environment for a bit of basic PHP coding. So the first thing we're going to want to do is download some IDE, some code editor, so we can actually type the code in. Probably the best one for you to get right now is Atom at Atom.io. Visual Studio Code is also good. Brackets, Sublime. There are lots of different lightweight code editors out there, but I know this one works pretty well. So go to there and download this. The next thing we're going to need is a portable server. I use UWAMP because it'll run from a memory stick, it'll run from a portable drive, it's easy to set up multiple projects, and it's been fine for me, so I recommend that one. So let's get started. So I've got Atom open, and I'm going to make a basic file, new file, and I'm going to just call it test.php, and inside the PHP file we can write PHP code, but we can also write HTML code. So the advantage of Atom is that it's going to use some of its inbuilt templates to help speed the process along quite a bit. I'm just going to test a little bit of code. So to write a PHP script, we need to open up some PHP tags, and then we can use the command echo to echo out some sort of message. We need to terminate each line with a semicolon, or it will not work. Okay, right then. So I'm pressing Ctrl S to save that, denoted by this up here. Now, if I try and open this in a web browser, it won't work because this script is a server-side script and it won't run on a client-side machine. So to get this to run, I need to open up UWAMP, and I need to run that. It will appear down in the taskbar when it's loaded. Now we can open it up to have a look if it's working. I had a few problems on Windows 10 machines with the latest version, so I rolled back to version 3.02 and I found no issues with that. So you're looking for the Apache and MySQL are both running. Once they're both running, it takes a bit of time on my machine, but we can then go into a browser and type in localhost, and it should open up the template file. I don't think my UWAMP's fully loaded yet. Might have. There we go. So I've saved mine in my lessons folder here. I could just type in lessons straight away, and I could type in lessons.test.php, or I could click the link, and there we get the message hello world. So I like to work with this file tab over here and this one over here, and then I can actually work from one to the other and see the changes immediately. So just to show you that this is working, I'm also going to encapsulate this inside some H1 tags. Press Ctrl S to save, press Ctrl F5, press F5, sorry, to reload. There we go. We've got some HTML actually running. We can change that. Bold tags. Caps lock off. There we go. Save. And now I've got it in bold. So we can now output and do lots of different PHP commands, and we've got a basic setup that works. So next episode we'll be looking at running some other PHP commands and doing some general PHP programming.